Hi everyone, it's Lynette. Real quick, guess I made a big, huge mistake and forgot or missed the video that says who the winner was of the uh, um, ugly Christmas sweaters. So here it is in this little, I'm going to add it right now. And I'm really terribly sorry, but Mary, email me. Thanks. Bye. So I've put the URL in and filter duplicate users. You had to put the word Sophie. Let's add this up and make it 9. Get YouTube comments. Oh wait, 72 unique comments. And I think this is where we start. Let's see who the winner is. And the winner is Lady Crafters Fibers, aka Mary. All right, Mary, congratulations. You'll need to contact me and give me your mailing address so that I can get the book sent to the Sophie's Universe book sent to you. Mary says, "Hi Lynette, I love seeing the color choices for everyone's Sophie's blanket. Can't wait to see how they turn out. Terry Bear came out cute. Love seeing the cute outfits you made for it. Have a wonderful and blessed week." So go ahead, Mary, and send me an email. My email is always listed in the description box below. Thank you. Congratulations.